Yes. Look at this fabulous Renault 10. Only 3 wheel nuts. Now you think they would at least have gone for maybe 4 wheel nuts on a big car like this. It's a big family car, and they've put 3 wheel nuts on it.
But it is less wheel nuts to undo when you're stuck at the side of the road.
Yeah, true. It makes a lot of sense. Can I open the door?
Absolutely, yeah.
Oh, you've got a creaky hinge. Oh, mess is good. I like mess. If it was too clean, I wouldn't want to sort of go near it.
Because these are original floor mats for customers.
Oh yeah. I wonder why would you even keep those?
I knew you would say that.
You've got new ones.
And here is the only evidence of it coming from Rhodesia left in the car. A Coke bottle top.
No.
Something as stupid as that.
You're going to have to keep that safe.
Yeah. I was definitely thinking that.
There's a little cupboard there, look, or something. Ooh, I don't know how that works. You've got little cupboards and things. I don't know how this one opened.
Press it.
Ah, oh yeah. Glove box.
And then you got the overhead one as well.
Oh, I can't shut it now.
Just really push it. Yeah. Oh.
You've got this one. That's amazing.
Yeah,
That
I did
is.
discover as well. If I move that top out, that's actually an ashtray.
Oh yeah, it's disguised in the trim.
I didn't even realise it until about a week ago.
They've hidden it into the design of the dash, haven't they? Sure, it's clever. Wow.
Oh wow. That's sort of open.
Yeah, yeah. Wow. Hey, Sean, I believe you've recently put the chrome on the bumpers on. Is that right? It didn't have bumpers on, did it?
Yes.
So did you find some replacements?
No, they came with the car.
Oh, they came with the car, and you've had to take them off.
No, they were literally laying inside the car, wrapped up in paper.
I wonder why they were off then.
We think
they're in good condition, aren't they? Yeah, they look like very good.
There's a little bit of rust popping through in some places, but it's
very good condition.
I like a sort of patinaed car, so it's going to work out.
Yeah, you're not going to make it into something pristine.
In fact,
you don't need to do anything to it, do you?
Starts and wrap goes, that's what matters.
Yeah. Can we have a look in the frunk? The front trunk. Do you call it a frunk? Oh, it's full of stuff. Do you know what? That's probably the biggest boot on the planet. That's amazing. You've got all of these sort of cases and toolboxes.
That's out of my work van. I was quite stunned it actually fitted between
in there. Loads of storage, really, isn't it?
I suppose you could use in here as well.
I guess you could. There's nothing mechanical in there, is there? Apart from the does that move up and down?
Yeah, that's for the bonnet release.
That's all it is.
Yeah.
The wiper motors on that other side.
Yeah.
So yeah, you could. Yeah, amazing. Because I'm really a Renault 16 enthusiast. This is a bit before my time, so it amazes me because you're relatively young that you've really taken to early Renaults.
You wouldn't get me a new one.
Look at the door panel, that's fantastic. It's so French, isn't it? Yeah. And burgundy as well. Oh, sorry. There's sliding windows in the back.
That is its evidence of where it came from.
You need to keep that safe.
Oh, I do.
They were safe.
I found it underneath the back seat.
It's lovely, isn't it?
We know for a fact the owners like Coca-Cola.
So that's all you know about the owners.
Yeah, literally.
Oh.